Right here, we participated in the first round of entrepreneurship in the lifting equipment industry of New China. Right here, we started to replace import of lifting equipment of domestic non-ferrous smelting. Right here, we are the first listed company of high-end lifting equipment manufacturing enterprise in China. We are located in Tianjin High-Tech Industrial Park, Zhuzhou, Hunan. Zhuzhou Tianqiao Crane Company Limited was founded in 1956, started again in 1999, and successfully listed in Shenzhen Stock Exchange in December 2010. It is the first public company specializing in high-end lifting equipment manufacturing in China. Moving towards diversity, our transformation and upgrading are clear and steady. Moving towards intelligent high-end, the product layout of TQCC is increasingly rich. Intelligent manufacturing launched a new round of industrial revolution to seize the intelligent manufacturing highland. TQCC continues to invest a large amount of R&D funds, carries out extensive cooperation in production, developing, and research, and builds multi-level R&D platform. TQCC and academician Gui Weihua of Central South University set up an academician workstation. We established the Hunan Material Handling Engineering Technology Center, Hunan Enterprise Technology Center, and took the lead in undertaking major scientific and technological projects, such as the National Key Research and Development Plan Robot Special Project, Non-Ferrous Metal Casting Process Robot Operating System, and 12th Five-Year National Science and Technology Support Plan. Research and application of key technologies for lightweight bridge crane. Intelligent control technology and industrialization of non-ferrous metal refining and handling equipment in Hunan's strategic emerging industry, etc. TQCC keeps fighting and standing at the forefront of intelligent equipment for non-ferrous metal smelting. TQCC relies on decades of technical accumulation, builds a green and intelligent factory technology and equipment system. In the field of aluminum smelting, we have successfully conquered the key technologies such as pot tending machine with independent intellectual property rights, horizontal cavity scooping, and double anodes synchronization. The product covers pot tending machine for aluminum electrolysis, anode baking furnace tending machine, anode carbon block stacking crane, centralized overhaul and transfer system of electrolytic system, and other process equipment. In the field of copper, lead, and zinc smelting, we have successively developed key technologies such as precise positioning, intelligent control, integrated scheduling, automatic grabbing, visual identification, security protection, etc. The products cover copper disc casting unit, anode shaping unit, butts washing unit, robot cathode washing and peeling unit, intelligent handling unit, permanent stainless steel cathode plate, and other process equipment. We realize the automation of the complete process of non-ferrous metal refining, such as slotting, stripping, brushing, weighing, packaging, testing, etc. Through the integrated scheduling system, data integration system, remote monitoring and fault diagnosis system, we've achieved intelligent control, production, and maintenance, and broken the monopoly of foreign products at one fell swoop. TQCC continues to develop and makes a breakthrough in the field of intelligent manufacturing system integration. In the field of steel, our products cover iron making, steel making, steel rolling, continuous casting, etc. Complete set of crane process equipment. In Hunan Valin Xiangtan Iron and Steel Company Limited, Hunan Yuguang Gold Lead Group Company Limited, and Chifeng Yuntong Non-Ferrous Metals Company Limited. Our doctoral team has successfully conquered the identification of scattered and broken surfaces, anti-sway and precise positioning technology, the first unmanned automatic scrap loading system in China, developed by us. The raw material batching handling system has been successfully delivered. We created the first multi-machine collaborative automatic watering operation system for slag bag slow cooling field. In the field of rail transit, TQCC has solved the intelligent manufacturing process scheme of key processes, such as rail transit traction motor, stator and rotor assembly, testing, spraying, etc. Developed an automatic intelligent production line, promoted the intelligent manufacturing of rail transit, and improved the international brand image of rail transit. Turn your eyes to the port. Every day, in nearly 100 cities and ports around the world, the crane handling equipment of TQCC is in operation day and night. Precise handling of goods from all over the world. As the pioneer and promoter of domestic bulk cargo unloader technology, our bridge grab ship unloader, with independent intellectual property rights, has been accompanied by the national The Belt and Road Strategy. Our lifting and transportation equipment is constantly emerging in the international market. The large ship unloader, standing at the throat of Johor Strait in Malaysia, shows the strength of Chinese manufacturing to the world. Decades of hard work, TQCC holds an important market position in non-ferrous metal smelting, steel, nuclear power, hydropower, railway, wind power construction, and other fields. We now cover more than 30 provinces, cities, and autonomous regions in China, and exported to more than 20 countries and regions in Europe, America, Africa, Southeast Asia, etc. Win praise for Made in China. In the future, TQCC will take the one body and two wings development strategy as the guide. Based on high-end material handling equipment, take capital and innovation as the driving force. Give play to advanced technology, talent, management, information, capital, and other advantages. Provide customers with high-end intelligent equipment system solutions. And contribute to our power for China's intelligent equipment manufacturing.